kwa nga Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị biko na unu mana ahụ 2024 ajago na nkwetere this year agwụna mana there are a lot of mistakes ndị mmadụ na-eme, especially in the Bible. We have come to that area when we think that we know it all, but we are making a very big mistake. Very big mistake, seriously. Get on to Kangwagana. The reason why most of us ego. So that mistake I hide name whereby we think that we know it all, we have to be correct now. No disrespect to anybody. I mean no disrespect to anybody. The Bible so omebere na chekweni onye utata na. Now let me pinpoint some areas where Bible I name a mistake that we think that we are doing it right. Now take note of all these things. Obulona ibata na a very environment teacher ibata for the first time. Onwe na Bible. A time comes when Moses and them majeje conquer one city, a land actually needed conquer. We say send me men so that they will go and survey that land. It finds this difficult and the buyer has address to put here moving. That is why some people here job Obodo Ibo abroad is not above. Some people job Obodo Ibo, they will not make it Hanatan. They didn't waste you go. You say I had your no but I say and the pastor menaganka. Man, you don't know you don't know prophetic. How do you want to survive? Bible saying your prophet is your profit. This video abroad ordinary video you have put like this. Boy, no, pay attention. Pay a very good close attention. Then back to Ndibi na territory. Ibatano Ogbe. Obahofu and a lot of uncompleted buildings. Abandoned projects everywhere. Abandoned projects. You take your time. You make in from here to here. If you abandon projects and you got one on our bozo. If you abandon, if you compound alone on our bonemia, I'll chalo for your penty, your penty. It is make a cage you rocha roof. Then when you was in a linter level, you just go on building that kind of house. This is where our people are making a very good mistake, very big mistake that we think that we are wise, but no. There's the powers that controls territory, that controls the affairs of men. Just like so many people know now, they will not account to anything that makes them rich. Onya hayapata signo makana ona akwabaro meoji we lota for the king. Ichief zano nwere onye ozo na akwada December na lota before the king. Owebolo difference of gene atmosphere. Difference of atmosphere. Obulu make your mistake we bulu maka eba hibi. Obulu na ebi nwe wrong foundation. Obulu na environment hibi nwelo a climate of any obuna bi na that territory will not accomplish what they have started. Uno man not like that. Because some him in the Bible can go tell you in Genesis 28 verse 16. You go verse 15. Or Jacob, a time comes in his life. Gagide. When you put a song we in the night, the Bible said that he saw an angel. It was like a ladder connecting the edge to heaven. Or was an angel ascending and descending. Or waited in verse 20, in verse 16. Or and Jacob woke up and he thought surely the Lord was in this place. Is in this place, not was. Is in this place, and I knew not. Owebuli hen ya Abraham melumba. Ebono well chukwu aja we made a lot of things about God, and that place opened a portal between again any one. Abraham long dead and gone. Mana ihon mezin in that environment was what speak for his son. Just like a lot of us, I ain't go legend of the Sika film. Man, you refuse to pay attention to one significant thing occurrence men at that film. And when they a very big vacuum and the creatures we are coming out from that place into the earth. So Ndocha knows that a lot of things never know why. And when they be no why, environment no why be the only problem. Have you ever imagined no nwere ndị ya apụta ha nọkọta na Lagos si Lagos gbada Ibadan isizi Ibadan ha na East direct? Nwezikwa ndị si na ha nọgide na East atụ si na ha si na be nna ha pụta chọrọ ụlọ na be onye ọzọ si be onye ọzọ ahụ dọnọdụ ya lụta ụlọ ebe ọzọ. So people ended up buying the house how they were once tenants inside. That is why ego ọbụla ị nwere n'ụwa that you cannot attain what made you rich. Ịchọla ịda ya mma ka ị ga-esi da, because o nwere ike ọ bụrụ because na ị bi na this street ma iji wee nwee ego. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ na ibi na this street, ibi na street ahụ ị nọ na ya bụ na that street has na-enwe covenant of agreement bụ na onye ọbụla bi na this street is bound to succeed. I wee nwee ego ị mmadụ nọ na because of the atmosphere. A na-akpọ ya gịnị? A na-akpọ ya wealth by association. Wealth by association. Mama maka ebe ị nọ nwee ji wee nwee that ego wee decide to relocate. Ọ bụrụ na ị relocate ba na the wrong house, no. You left ebe Chukwu nọ wee gozi gị and you entered another place. That is where your problem started. Big respect. I didn't mean to disrespect ndị bidogolo ụnọ, because o nwere onye bidogolo ụnọ n'ụwa that does not have the plan of finish. Don't wake up. Big respect for you. I didn't mean to disrespect anybody in that kind of thing. But I'm speaking with something fact. So as I know about 2025, I know about our phone. Gabaru discern know what works for you and what does not work for you. Obolo no a friend in a megi ide save ego, because on well and they have a friend. Every day your friend you ought to work with an airport. I just want 5 crate. I just want 2 crate. Ototo obu na put no do ahia. And every Monday I go create money on hang na Sunday galaga. Run away from that kind of person. And obolo kwan na shop ke no. Obolo mmadi na shop ihe anara agalo go ndi gwolo ogwu. Enwekwa shop ihe anọ na ya. Obolo because no nya si na that shop puta with a very good foundation, and the person is always born apple something in him deposited that onye ọbụla another place is bound to succeed. Enwe ndo ya bibia ha n'akụkụ, onwe ike ọbụrụ sọsọ cement ka ọ bụrụ no one block ke na kpụọ before my name you finish your own again. Nwekwa ndị ya bi n'ọrụ ha nso, you will find it very difficult to feed. Enwe people like that, enwe ndị bụ moving altars, enwe ndị bụ territorial commanders. So as we are approaching the new year, think about what works for you and what does not work for you. And you know how to put your life in order. Because no young man is to say, Hezekiah, go and put your house in order, because no, this all you will not survive it. Hezekiah left and started praying for long life. He refused to put his house in order. That in actually I want him makia, but the same thing baby man. Mgbe bonde ba na sina nna na solo umuazi ohia na solo umuazi so buru uzo. They will tell you what to do. Aya agwa gị sị gị na ichekwa n'ebe a eme ngurukwa na wetide ndị abụọ ọghọm. Ijekwa n'ebe a ịpụtakwa n'ezi mbọsị eke from so time ijekwa na mmili ya ichekwa na onwe mgbe ahịa pempasị gị ichekwa na mmili village unu so time to so time, maka na o nwere ihe na-agadi. They are not just making up stories. These are facts na-eme eme. If onye kachizie ntị gadi, you will come back say na no nwere kwa ihe mee akwa asị ka ndị anụ na so bụrụ asị. Something has happened to you but you do not know. Onwezi ike ịgbakọtezi to the extent of ịchọbazi ego or this that kind of lack behind just because you disobeyed a command. Ntị ọ dịkwa ekwechakwa m ka ọ dị nụ.